Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. I am super excited about this week's new releases. Fun fact, this is actually the second time I'm filming this because things have changed in the past 24 hours as far as what I'm releasing. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first is we do have some foil items that are going to be released this week. I have these, which I'm going to be calling, I think, sassy quotes, and let me go ahead and show you guys what they say. You can read them, pause it. But there are 4 full box overlays and they are available in all 4 foils. Then we do have these, which are just Easter decos. They're similar to the Valentine's Day date lovey ones that we just released. They're great for putting on full boxes if you wanted to add some deco, and we do have some Easter kits coming this week, so it was a great time to release those in all 4 foils. And last but not least, I have been asked a bazillion times to do mini months. Most of the times that I was asked, they were already ordered. I ordered these in September, I think, and it's just been a long wait on my big old foil order. So these are mini months. You can use them in a lot of different ways. A lot of people probably use these in the corner of their Erin Condrens because they miss that. Then we have this week's wiggle, which is similar to last week in the fact that it is red hearts. Last week was not red. It was like a matte rose pink color. This one is a red sparkle. I'm probably going to be using this with XOXO, but I think it would look really pretty with any kit that has a true red in it. I love this. So it is the same format as last week. So you have your 15mm strip, you have your icons, some little bows, circle SP icons, and then scroll prints co-labels. You have the much loved script sampler icons and date numbers, the food doodle, food drink. You have your little hearts, which are great for extending deco or sprinkling throughout your spread. And then you do have a bunch of these. So you have 6 of these in a wiggle. And these have 7 headers, 2 full box overlays, and 14 half cut headers, which are great for supplementing for bougie. Or if you don't bougie, you could always use 2 of them and then extend this for more headers. So that is the wiggle. I explained it a lot more last week. It is on special price for the first 48 hours. This one we actually don't have as many of as we would like to. We did have some misfitting that we had to go through and weed out. So definitely pick this up while you can. Really love this though, and like I said, I'm probably going to be using it with XOXO, but I did contemplate using it with my kit that I'm using next week, which is Christmas Magic. It does have hearts, but honestly, you could omit the things that have hearts and there's still enough to do a spread. Whenever I was designing this, I was really thinking that you could do 1 full week with the foil color and then pull the leftovers in as a mixed metal spread. So in case you guys are wondering, I don't know if I mentioned that last week, but that is the wiggle for this week. And actually the wiggle is called XOXO, so it totally works out. So let's go ahead and go into the kits for this week. So the one that I have sneaked already here is Galaxy Magic, which is art that just came out earlier today. I had Emily quickly print and cut it for me. So let's go ahead and get into this one. I think I'm actually going to be switching out one of the kits that I was using for my Disney trip to use this one just because I think it's super cute. I love the way that the top colors turned out. I was going to do it as a mini kit exclusive, but I did move some things around, like I said in the beginning of the video, to be able to accommodate this for this week in both Ultimate and Mini. So I love this. I think it's so pretty. In love, in love, in love. So this is galaxy colors. I love these purple, blue, pink colors with the gray. Really just is so pretty. So let's go through these full boxes here. So you do have just some flat lays here. This little pass holder is actually exclusive. It's in a kit that's already printed and cut, and I just recolored it. This churro is from an older kit of hers. This Talk Disney to Me. This is actually coming in a full box overlay. It's actually coming, I think, in 2 or 3 weeks. It's already ready to go, so that'll be something you can pick up to match this. Also, we have a wiggle coming out in a couple of weeks that I think will match this, and whenever I do, I think I'm actually going to use it with this spread. If I can confirm that it matches, I might just do that real quick. And then whenever the wiggle comes out, I'll let you guys know which one it is so that you can pick it up. I think I'm going to use the wiggle and then Sparkly Hollow with it. Actually, let me just go ahead and show you guys those. I'm going to leave. I'm not going to show you guys the full boxes yet because I'm going to get too excited. Let me see if this matches before I might, yeah, I'm thinking I'm going to use this wiggle with this, and I'll probably do a talk through maybe of that. I don't know. We'll see. But I will tell you when that wiggle comes out. Like, that's the one I was thinking for this. So that'll be in like 2 weeks. So love this. So much cute stuff. This is actually a girl from one of the older sets, and then also recolored the little Baby Yoda. Thought it was so cute. She has like a little like cameo in there. Love that. So these colors are fantastic. And then you have like a sprinkle, you can kind of see it here, of like the different colors. I didn't do like silver or like the color it is behind it. I did it kind of like a multicolor glitter throughout. Got an eyelash there. You have your half boxes page, your functional page, you have your extra full box here, which is kind of like the Epcot-y type inspired skirt. You have your little things. I love the colors of this. It's just so pretty with all the galaxy prints. You have a bunch of deco over here, and the weekend banner is so pretty. And then you have the bottom washi, which is just clouds, which I think is really going to look cool with the add-on 15mm strip, because if you got that really high contrast, which is going to look nice. And this will actually look really pretty with the color that I'm talking about for the wiggle that's coming out in a couple of weeks. Then you also do have the glitter headers if you want to add those on, as well as the label sampler if you want to add that on. Definitely a squeeze putting this in this week, but I wanted to get it up for you guys. Like I say every week, we do this eyelash will not go away. We do unlimited stock for the first 48 hours for the sticker kits. Last week, I believe all of the mini kits oversold within that time. So by the time that the 48 hours was up, then all 3 mini kits actually sold out, which is the first time that all 3 sold out in a while. Usually it's like 2 of them. So this is the mini kit. And then you do have the Munchkin freebie, same as before. But I think even if you didn't want to use the wiggle that's coming out, I think this would look really pretty with, I feel like there's actually another wiggle that would look really pretty with it. There's actually a couple wiggles that would look really pretty with it. But you could use sparkly hollow or silver, and I think it would be really pretty, or just regular hollow. Like, this kit is so beautiful. I feel like you need all of the kits this week. They're all like amazing. So there is that one. And then we do have 2 Easter kits for you guys. I don't know how many Easter kits I'm going to be coming out with. It kind of depends on, obviously, like all holidays, it depends on what other artists put out. I only know like what's exclusive for my shop, which I'll show you the only exclusive Easter kit that we have, which will be coming up next. But this comes in a mini kit and an ultimate. This is called Hippity Hop, and I love the colors in this. Actually matches my nail perfectly. I'll show you. So this is like almost a perfect match. And this is from the Butter London Barbie collection. I haven't painted my nails in a hot minute, so it's totally wild. Hippity Hop. Let me give you a little bit more FaceTime with that. I think that what's cool about this is if you wanted to use the other one for Easter, it definitely screams Easter a lot more. This one could just be really springy. It has some like Easter bunnies in it, but I feel like bunnies just kind of scream spring anyways. And I love the neutral with the pink and blue palette. Here for it all the way. Love it. And the gold pops, which are really pretty. I feel like this one would look gorgeous with some gold foil. Really pop against all of the colors. I like the modern vibes, but still kind of like very like shabby chic in the same respect. So that is the Hippity Hop kit. There is also options if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's options if you want to add on the Fashion Girls, which are super cute with the blowing the bubble gum. You have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. And last but not least, you have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. So that is Hippity Hop. And then last but not least is the exclusive collection for this week, and this is called Easter. This will be our only exclusive art for Easter. We do have it in a mini kit as well, and I am obsessed with this. I had plans to do a very like pastel Easter theme, just very classic kind of vibes, but I was on Pinterest looking at Easter decor, which it's funny because I look at Easter decor like in November, or actually it might have been earlier than November. I was looking at it and I was like, it'd be really pretty to do like modern, kind of like black and white with gold and like light pink and blue. It's just something a little bit different, very modern, and I really, really love the way that it turned out. So you have the 2 girls on here, which are super cute. I just love everything about them. I love the little Easter dinner checklist, the little gnome on the like little plate thing, and then the Easter basket and the little bow napkin, the tulips. I'm here for it all. You have the faux gold sparkle throughout, and look at this color scheme. It's so pretty, so modern, with still having that pastel element that just kind of screams Easter. I love this extra full box with all of the gold and black. It's super modern and pretty, and this is just honestly like life goals for Easter. It's just so beautiful. You have your deco over here. I love this girl so much. your bottom washi, and then you have your Munchkin freebie as well. So that is Easter. Let me go ahead and show you guys all of the extras for this one because we do have obviously fan boxes. I couldn't not do fan boxes for this one because like it was screaming like it needed some fan boxes. So let's go through the other extras first. You have the option if you would add on the 15mm strip, another good one to have on hand, like a black, and then you have the glitter headers with the sprinkle of gold throughout. And then there's also the option if you want to add on the label sampler there. Then we do have FAM options. The FAMs are all the same. We have 1 through 6, and if you are normally a 6, you are a 6 on this one. I don't change them up like tricky guys or nothing. I usually use 3 and 6, I think, because I pulled a blonde little boy. One day I think Bennett's going to be a brunette, though, and then I'll just need number 3. So this has a tall box. You have 6 regular full box sizes. I love the little baby with the little cottontail. Super cute, and I'm just, like, obsessed. This little boy is new for this set, which is super cute. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Obsessed with this girl's skirt. But that is everything for this week. Let's go over these again really quick. I'm like obsessed with this week's new releases. Like, couldn't have been more obsessed, and I really feel like all these kits are just so good and definitely are just really on point for the season. So you have, even though it's January, but I feel like I'm always ahead mentally because of like how releases are. So we have Hippity Hop, we have Easter, we have Galaxy Magic, which I'm gonna lay down as soon as I like get done with this spread. So excited about it. And then I also have the Wiggle, which is XOXO. I don't have as many as last week. Like I said, there was a lot of misfits in those whenever we were collating them. And then we have the Sassy Quotes, the Mini Monthlies, and then also the Easter Deco. So that's everything for this week. Again, all of these releases go live Wednesday at noon Eastern. And next week, I'm pretty sure we're going to be having a special guest doing the new releases because I will be at Disney. So I hope you guys like this week's new releases, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!